Hi to all, welcome to my channel. First of all, a very big thanks to all to my subscribers because I'm getting positive response from last previous 5 videos that's related to DevOps and Linux. So let's start today's class and session. So in previous class we discussed about how to create a regular how to we use regular expression and how to create directories including the parent and present directories and how to create a file and folder. And one more thing, we saw the statistics about the file, like who's modified and who's the created by. And next one is how to view the hidden files. This one there is a command and we seen this type of files also. And coming to characters expressions, here we use this star is for matches for the characters, like any characters like a in the, for example, in the directories or files named as a like and, so we can filter using the star and a. And these are matches. For example, if you want to match any single character, like if you want to open any directories or characters, so we can use this question mark. And these are the inputs, this is the range from here to there. Like for example, I want to delete, I want to 90 files, so I can use this range expression using the input and I can delete, I'm able to delete. So coming to here, coming to today class, so I'm going to use I am going to discuss about one thing is like I want to copy files from one directory to another directory. So I want to copy I want to copy the files and folders in one directory to one in one directory there is a lot 2 to 3 folders. So in one directory, so I'm copying that file into another file in the same directory, and I'm trying to move the files or folders to another directory, and I'm going to rename the folder or directory, and I'm going to perform delete operations or replacing using the tr command. So see, let's start. I'll show you the real-time example, like then you'll get some clear picture idea about. Let's start with the copying files with copying files or folders. Let me open Ubuntu here. So this is the one I'm going here. 1 second. See, yeah, see, this is the one. So wait, I'm going to see the current directory. Let's open. See, I have a couple of directories and couple of folders, couple of files in the directories. So I'll start creating with new directories, then I'll start move the files into another directory, then it will be better, so for your understanding also. So let me start with this one. Yeah, so I'm going to create new directory. So here mk directory, we already know about how to create directories. So I'm going to create in the with the name of got. Yeah, here I'm going to create two directories, then I'll tell you why I'm creating two directories. Yeah, got and vking, I'm created two directories. Let me show you. See, I'm able to see here got. Yeah, got and vking. Where is the vking here? Yeah, here is the vking. So now we're in the home directory. Now I'm navigating to what we are now created, right? So with that, so got. Yeah, so got. So in the got, I'm creating two more directories and one folder. So here, see, yeah, mkdir battle, mkdir fire. Yeah, so now here mkdir fire is there, right? So I'm going to replace this one list. See, so fire is there. Yeah, see, I'm going to redirect with fire. So in that file nothing is there. So here I'm going to use, yeah, so we created two files and folders. Now I'm coming back to here. Wait, I'll show you here. Yeah, see, right? Yeah, we created this one got, right? So got ls. So yeah, here I'm going to create one more file here using this command. Yeah, code runner. So I'm going to save this file in the got directory with named as range, sorry, See, now I want to see the range file here. See, the range runner is there. Let me show you now the tree view. Then you got some clear picture right about so how many folders and how many exact directories there. Yeah, tree, what's the name we created? Directory GOT, right? Yeah. Wait, I want to come back here. CD. Yes, so this is the view. We can view the actual directory point view here. You see. So GOT is the directory. In the GOT, we have two more directories there: battle and fire, and one more file is there based on the name. So I'm going to now you got some clear picture idea about, right? So I'm going to create another directory here. mkdir Ragnar. Yeah, file already is there. Ragnar. I'm going to create revenge. Yeah, now I'll show you tree revenge ng. See, in that revenge sorry, tree revenge. So this is a directory. In revenge we don't have any files, zero directories and zero files here. I am redirecting to now. Yeah, so I'm redirecting to revenge now. Here I am creating one more directory that's called panther. See, now I'm able to see panther. So here, yeah, let me show you tree view about revenge. See, in the revenge we have one more directory called panther. So now I'm going to copy one directory file to another directory. So we have two directories now. So let's start with this one. GOT we are already created, right? So let's start this one. I'll show you first tree view. See, here we have two directories now. One is revenger. In that revenge we have one more directory panther is there. So here we created another directory called GOT. So in that we have two directories and one file. So what I'm doing is now, so I am copying this range file to panther, so another director. So let me do it. Yeah, what's the command we're using? Yeah, cp. So I'm using cp here, cp, and what's the this one from here to right, got. Yeah, got to what's the file name here? Range to another which directory? Revenge to panther, right? Yeah. See, now I'll show you. What is the previous? We saw the tree view. So in the revenge we have only panther. So we'll see now. I'll show you the tree view about the revenge. See, revenge panther in the range. You got right. How to copy the files to one directory to another directory. So here now we are in the revenge. Let me. So here we have range. So this file I want to copy in the same directory into this file. I want to copy this range to file. So let me show you. Yeah. So what's the command cp? So got, obviously got, yeah, range to got. What's the file name here? For sorry, directory file, right? Yeah, we'll see now the preview of got. See, so now I'm able to see the range also in file, in the file directory. You got right. So let me start now. We are done with copying files, right? So now I'll show you how to move files from one directory to another directory, right? So now we have range in both, right? So I'll move this file to panther. Okay, another one directory to another directory. So now we are copying here. So now I'm going to move from one directory to another directory. So let's start with move command. So mv, right? Yeah, mv to got. So from got to I'm moving fire to where revenge. Yeah, got, yeah, fire to where revenge to panther. So I'll show you the preview now about got. See now, there is no fire, so the fire is where? In the revenge. Let me show you the tree. Wait, see, fire is in revenge folder. You got my point, right? So now we are able to copy the files and move the files from one directory to another directory. So I'll show you one more thing. So just now I'm copying the files from one folder to another folder, one folder to another directory. Let me show you one directory files to complete all files. I want to move to another directory. So I'll go back to the list here. So in the, now you are able to see, right, in the revenge, in the got, what's the files and what's the folder. So here I am going to use another command for this one, mvr. So mvr, so what is the directories here, what we created, got slash and one more directory, revenge, right? Option r. Okay, let me show you. So this one I will tell you in the next session. So now I'm going to rename the actual so now we have, I'll show you the tree path. Let me go see. So I'll show with tree path of the got, sorry, right? So now I'm going to change this range file name, right? So let me use this one, the same command I'm using for rename also, mv what is the this one directory, got. So this one is under a different folder, so let me set the range. So the same thing here also, got. So what's the name I'm going to change, range 2. See, will show you ls. So I'll show you the preview about got. See, I replace it with the range 2, right? So let me delete some characters here. I'll show you now. Yeah, echo welcome world. So the command where I'm going to use here, tr. Tr, and the which word I'm going to delete, w, and tr is after w, after operand after, give me a minute. Yes, and we. See here, so if what I used here, w and e. So what is changing here, w is replacing here, so in the first word. So and the e is adding here in the replacing the first word here. You are able to see, right? Welcome world is the text I'm here saving. So this what we are it's adding again to e here, it will storing the w is replacing with e, and here the e also replacing in the second word. So in the second class, next class, I will tell you about this thing, and this one we are finding some difficulty, right? So copying the directory to another directory. I will tell you about these two things, the delete and these directory copy files. I hope you understand the class. So if you liked my videos, please subscribe and like. So thanks for watching.